Alright, there we go. Well, I don't know. I forgot my, I forgot paper and stuff. So I got to, gotta do something, so. $55, let's say 20, so it's like 20 after. Well, let's see. That's right, I gotta do like baseball and stuff like that. Well, I gotta go get my papers and stuff. Download or upload this thing and probably like in the morning or something. You know, this is Pico. You don't like the hair that's on the top of my head. Yeah, it's about 20 after. You can see this, like that. Maybe some things have like a screen, you can flip it around like that. Of course, it would use up a lot of batteries. Everybody gets paranoid cameras. Only me, though. I mean, people have cameras is like, what's the big deal? Well, I guess, I didn't capture that look. Hey, let's go this way. Why? Because my sister, Aline Gregory Romack, her name's on this, Ali. Not to be confused with Alibaba, which is, the Chinese news agency thing. Not to be confused with Ali Bali, which used to be her, which was her our nickname for her in like the 90s and starting in like in the 80s. Business. That's like that lesbian thing I saw when I was in. I was dating Hannah, and then that kind of got going. It was the first lesbian kiss on Prairie of Zion on Brazilian television. Right when that happened, I had a little thing hit my nose. Brazilian. How do we know that? Well, you'll have to check the other videos. Dang, I'm right by a hospital. Well, they're all over anyway. Range Rover, there's Canada. steamboat. It's supposed to be the furthest point up a steamboat could go on any kind of Kevin River. There was somebody who used to tell a joke like that, though, because the whole thing was supposed to be funny or something. I don't know, I guess. Jokes are usually supposed to be funny, so... I can take one. Well, there we go. Oh, that bird dropped, but I didn't have it in the, not the girl, the bird. I mean, wait. I'm in America. Bird means bird. Girl means girl. Well, I don't know. Car dealership called Hug. I guess so. Okay, that's pretty close. Oh, well, yeah, you move after the bird. That was all right. I says, you shall not touch my bird. I feel like I'm wasting thousands of dollars just standing around here. Well, I don't know. Carry this thing around all over the place. There's some issues like that. Yeah, gotta be careful.
Oh, they clapped when you said that. Oh, I love it.
That's what I think of the humanist. That's probably what they think too, I suppose. I forgot to bring paper, so I'm out here doing this right now. I'll have to probably put this out in the morning. Let's go to the library or something. Oh. Like something's about to happen. I don't know what. Just what the doctor wanted. Little bird. I don't know if that stuff picks up well in the camera. Maybe worth it to go someplace and upload it to YouTube. Well, you didn't get it on camera though, did you? Oh, you got that one. Okay. The crows are being cooperative today. The little sparrows not so much. Doing my thing. She's like that. I should probably upload this. Get down over to the Starbucks thing and do it.
Yeah.
This is kind of like that one. You think after they remodeled that, they would repaint that? Somebody did a number on that, that's for sure. All right. I gotta upload this thing. Make it somewhere. That's why they don't want me in one spot very long. They get kind of weird about it. They're a lot weirder when the cameras are. You know, crowd stuff. Bird, too late. Where's that one? Flew around the corner of the building. Actually, I got that. If the resolution's alright on this thing, I don't know. Looking at the camera eye, like it's gonna tell me anything about the resolution. Oh, that's what I was looking at. That little thing there. It looks like the Korea thing that was like there earlier. There's like north and south there. And we got a bird. Oh! There it goes. Okay. I went like that when the bird took off, but you just gotta look at it on another camera. Man, I don't know. Jeez, I do this all the time. Oh, there's two birds up there. Oh, you nailed it, but it's like, okay. But it's like, you didn't capture it though. It's like right in there in between the branches on top of the building. It's moving a little bit. It may be gone now. Oh, there it is. Urban bird watching. Yeah. 5 minutes. Been days and views, so long. Or on the camera, anyway. I don't know. You just have to watch without the cameras. Guys, there's thousands of these things all over the place.
Can we go down it like a
Bird missed it. Sparrows are quick. I'm quick too. It's just like the camera's not that quick. I can't like, you know, I can't like. Oh, but I got that one using the camera. Da, da, da. Like I got mind powers, you see. That's right. Do it enough, I get the girl. Won it. It's a major award. Yeah, like a statue. Oh, a statue. Well, you know, the word stag is kind of like a statue. So I'll give it to me. I need all the help I can get. Okay. I'm over here. Yeah, very visually. Won it. It's a major award. There's an escort that works there, or at least she used to. One of the apartments went up for rent, so I don't know. If I got enough money, I can go see one of them. So that's what the Vatican told me. Are you kidding? No, they actually said that. It was a bird. They were like, for you, everything that should be easy is not going to be, and it's just sort of kind of how it is. Everything that it should be by all rights. It's just the opposite of like anything you might think. 20 minutes after the hour. Oh, well, they did that with it. I think I'm better off usually in one place for a while. Let's see. 2:17. Okay, I got like 2 minutes left. Orange. Okay, maybe do a quick walk down over to right here. Oh, I got a little Casey pup. I want to see my little Casey. Maybe get some people through some tough times, but I gotta keep punchlines. That's like that girl stalking. Although that's not the... Yeah. Good luck, Buddha. Okay, you gotta go quick. Can you get there in 2 minutes? I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna film the thing I did yesterday. I guess I could film it yesterday. I could film it later, I suppose. $24. I got like half a minute to get there. I got that kind of time.